Hi students, today I want to show you how to do your new classwork. It is Present Perfect ESL Library and you'll find it in the top of the stream or in week 10. So click on it and you can read the instructions first. Please read the grammar notes and copy important information in your notebook. Then do the activities. When you are finished, come back to this assignment and mark as done. So it is due March 21st, that's Sunday at 12 o'clock p.m. And when you come back, don't forget to mark as done. So click on it and it'll take you to this page. So you need to type your email address. And your password. So your password should be welcome1 unless you changed it. Just let me know if it doesn't work. Okay, so what you need to do is you're going to see that there's a lot of activities here. Only some of them there's only like 5 short activities that you actually have to do. There's a video to watch, so you need to watch that. Okay, so I think it's the same video that maybe was played in class, so that's good. And then when you're done, you click I'm finished, you actually watch it. And then you click go back to assignments. And you can see that that one is complete. So now I need to start my grammar notes. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click start. And I'm going to read through it. And if there are some important points that I want to remember, I will write them down. So make sure you read through it, take notes with your pen and paper. And I'm finished when you're done reading, and back to assignments. So now you're going to take a look at the irregular verb list and click start. So you see a list of irregular verbs which are different. So they do not form the past participle with ed. So my suggestion for you is to write them down in your notebook. Okay? Irregular past participles: be, been, become, become, bite, bitten. So to write down the list. It will help you when you're doing your activities. When you're done writing down the list, click on finished. Go back to assignments. Okay, and you only have 5 activities left, but they're easy. Some of you have already done them before. So irregular verb practice. Type the past participle of these irregular verbs. So start. And no, I don't know what it is, but I wrote it down. If you didn't write it down, you can go to view reference and you can check it. What is the past participle of no? No is known. Okay, and I'm going to close it. If you want to be really quick, you can go Control C, no, and Control V, known. But say it out loud while you're doing it. Okay, and you keep going through. Oops. So there's 15 pages of this. Okay, and when you're all done, when you actually did it, you submit it. Submit. And, you can review your answers. It says I only got 1 out of 15 correct. So I can review my answers. That's always good to see my mistakes. Oh, that's not good. So I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to fix my answers. So this one was okay. I got that one okay. Oops, I didn't have anything for that one. So I'm going to view the reference and do that. So when I'm all done, when I fix the answers, I think when I go through, it might ask, then on the last one, I can submit it. Okay, submit. And I'm going to go back now. So I'm going to go back to the assignments. And I'm going to work on the next assignment. Okay, so I just go through, I've got 4 more to do. Okay, so also at the very bottom here, you have a list of past assignments. Don't worry about those. Okay, so this is the only one that I want you to do. Now, when you're all done, you need to go back to the classroom, go to the classroom tab and mark it as done. That makes it easy for me, and I like it easy. Okay, have a good weekend. Bye.